All right, what's good? Back at the thrift. I'm checking out some good stuff, seeing what I can find. Today, I picked up these. Look like size 10 high heels. Look like about a 6-inch heel. Very nice. Great condition. Also, I picked up this Cabela sporting gear. As you can see, long sleeve. Very good condition, size 3XL. Picked up one. Picked up two. All right here I got it picked up a Walter Hagen. For those in the golf world, this one here is real nice. All right, this right here is Academics, long sleeve, 3XL. This right here is an Adidas, short sleeve, very nice condition. And this right here from the Camp Lejeune golf course, Jacksonville, North Carolina. I also picked up this FootJoy, long sleeve, windbreaker, pullover, very nice condition. And last but not least, I picked up two Tommy Bahama Relax. These right here are very nice. Nice quality, very thick material. And got a yellow one also. All right, that's it. That concludes my haul for the day. See y'all in the next one. Peace.